guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're gonna do the ABC squishy tag. I haven't posted a video in so long because I was waiting for a squishy packet and it didn't came, so I'm just gonna do the ABC squishy tag. So I have to start grabbing things. Just let me do. A for animal donut, B for burger, C for cake roll, D for Daisy the pillow, E for annoying orange, F for fries. So I don't have anything for G, so I have to buy the squishy for 10 seconds, which I forgot to mention. I'm gonna buy this cheesecake. 1, 2, and yeah. H for Hello Kitty donut, I for ice cream. I think that's cheating, but Jumbo I Bloom Peach. I did a really bad job, and the lighting is better than this. K for cake. I don't have a squishy for L, so I have to buy this elephant squishy. No, that tastes so disgusting. M for milk. I don't have a squishy for N, so I have to buy this Skittles. It's so gross. I don't have anything for O, so I have to buy this Takis bag. It's one of my first chip bags. I think that's really cheating. Pink Pat Pat Sushi. I don't have a squishy for Q, so I have to buy this pillow. I don't have a squishy for R, so I have to buy this green Skittles. For S, I have this giant Skittles. It was a remake of this one, and this one is way better. It's so airy. T for toast. I don't have a squishy for U, so I have to buy this Pat Pat Sushi. I don't have anything for V, so I'm gonna buy this. W for watermelon. I don't have anything for X, so I have to buy this little unicorn. I had a squishy for U, and I forgot it, so and next time I don't have Z, and I don't have a squishy for Z, so I don't have to buy the squish again because I had U and I buy the one too much. And so thanks for watching. This was my ABC squishy tag, and I hope you like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram. My name is gonna be right in the description down below. I don't know how to do links, but I'm gonna do it in this description. Bye.